Now we can examine the important reasons for the decline of Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization, our first urban culture, disappeared by the end of 18th century. The historians suggested a lot of reasons for the decline of Indus Valley civilization. But they could not provide a clear-cut answer to the question for the decline of Indus Valley civilization because of the absence of written records. There was a major problem while we discussing about the various aspects of Indus Valley civilization. Actually, there is a writing method of the Indus Valley people, but their writing has not been deciphered so far. So, by the 18th century BCE, the typical Harappan structures made of the bricks, their seals, handicraft production, the drainage system, etc. are disappeared. In that place, a new rural culture came to exist. That rural culture is going to be known as the late Harappan culture. The late Harappan culture was totally different from that of the typical Harappan culture. So now we can examine the opinions of various historians regarding the decline of Indus Valley civilization. First, the deforestation. The forest regions were cleared on a large scale, especially for making the bricks, especially for the manufacturing of bricks. So that caused the natural calamities like that of the flood, drought, etc. So that affected the normal life of the people and ultimately caused to its decline. Then the second reason suggested by the historians was the excessive flood. River Indus and her tributaries are the Himalayan rivers. There were frequent floods in those rivers, and that affected the normal life of the people. The flood was affected. The flood affected the social life of the people in the bigger cities like Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, etc. That gradually caused the disappearance of Indus Valley civilization or first urban culture. According to the historians, the third reason for the decline of Harappan culture was the climatic change. There has been the low rainfall, the loss of fertility of soil, etc. in the Indus region. That affected the agricultural production. So their economy based on agriculture was badly affected due to this. The domestication of animals, especially the cattle rearing, etc., were affected by the climatic change. That might be caused for the decline of this culture. Another reason suggested by the historians to the decline of this civilization was the spread of epidemics. That might be included in the natural calamities. So like that of the flood, drought, etc. The epidemics also affected the normal life of the people. The spread of epidemics became a great panic for the social life. That we have learned in the last year while discussing the 14th century crisis, the Black Death caused by the plague that killed lakhs of people in Europe. In the same way, nowadays we are suffering from the pandemic of COVID-19. The normal life is totally disturbed due to the spread of coronavirus. We could not even start our academic year in this at this period. So such kind of epidemics killed the people of Indus region, and that finally caused for the disappearance of this culture. And finally, the historians suggested the Aryan invasion as the reason for the decline of Indus Valley civilization. The fifth one, that was the most discussed reason for the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. The prominent archaeologists like Mortimer Wheeler supported this argument. According to Mortimer Wheeler, the skeletons of some women and children were discovered from Dead Man's Lane at Mohenjo-daro. That might be the result of the foreign invasion, according to him. Moreover, the weapons like axe, spear, etc., which were not familiar to the Indus Valley people, were also discovered from there. According to Mortimer Wheeler, there were the evidences for a massive foreign attack. But nowadays, the historians are not more impressive regarding the Aryan invasion. The discovery of only a few human skeletons was not an evidence for a massive foreign invasion. Again, the chronology also did not support the Aryan invasion theory. The Indus Valley civilization disappeared around 1800 BCE. But the Aryans attacked India by 1500 BCE. That means the Aryans attacked India 300 years after the disappearance of Indus Valley civilization. So we can conclude that they are the important reasons for the decline of Indus Valley civilization. We can repeat them once again. First, deforestation. Second, excessive flood. Third, climatic change. Fourth, the natural calamities, especially the spread of epidemics. And fifth one, the Aryan invasion. That's all.